Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are well. You will find different designs of kids bag in this video. The designs of bags I have added to my video are very trendy these days, and these designs of bag looking so beautiful and nice. If you buy bag for your kids, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains good collection of bags in different designing ideas. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. This video contains a lot of designs of bags for your choice. Please press the bell icon for new updates and watch this video at the end. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.